So how do you use your body language to really express more than what you're saying? Body language is crucial. Your body language is always going to say more than just your words. What you want is your words and your body language to come together to say more than just your words. You want your body language and your words to come together to be something bigger than either one alone. Now, the number one thing to remember about body language is you don't have to start acting in a very specific way and think, well, this is a power move and I'm now going to raise my right hand. No, what you really want is to just move the way you do when you're relaxed. If you doubt me, go to a sports bar sometime, wait for there to be a touchdown or a soccer goal, and look at how people communicate. They're happy. You don't have to figure out whether their team just scored a goal or not. You see it on their face. You see it in the high fives. You see this. Human beings naturally communicate well with their body. It's only when you're nervous and you're freezing yourself. So the real key is keep practicing a presentation until you're no longer uncomfortable, until you're not thinking about what am I going to say next. Because if you can just get in the moment of sharing, your natural hand movement will come back. Your arm movement, your head will move, your body will lean in, your eyebrows will move. All of that magnifies your message in a way that makes you come across more comfortable, more confident, more authoritative, and more interesting.